Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to class student. I am Fatma here with second lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. Dear students, open page number 7. Chapter number 2, Mr. Raza Ali's Day. This is Mr. Raza Ali. You can see in the picture, he is Mr. Raza Ali. He works as a manager in a bank. He is a manager in a bank. Mr. Raza Ali wakes up early in the morning and he says his prayers first. When he wakes up, he offers his prayers. Then he has breakfast. Then he takes breakfast and enjoys a cup of tea in breakfast. At 7 a.m., he goes to a work in his car at 7:30 a.m. At 7 a.m. he enjoys his breakfast and at 7:30 a.m. he goes to work, that is in a bank, in his car. He starts work at 8:30 a.m. in his office in a bank. He has a lunch with his colleagues at 1:30 p.m. He goes to home at 5 p.m. He has tea while watching the news at 5:45 p.m. in his home. Now dear students, open page number 8. He goes for a walk in a park at 6:30 p.m. He has a dinner with his family at 8 p.m. and he goes to bed at 10 p.m. for sleeping. On Sunday, Mr. Raza does not go to work. He has off from his bank. He stays at home and spends time with his family. In the evening, he goes out with them. Sometimes they go to a park on Sunday. Now, dear students, open your notebook and note down these questions in your notebook. Chapter number 2. Where does Mr. Raza Ali work? He works in a bank. At what time does he go to the work? At 7:30 a.m. At what time do you go to school? At 8 a.m. When do you wake up on Sunday? At 9 a.m. Write the answer of these questions in your notebook. Now dear student, open page number 9, work page. Write your own timetable below. Put the time and list the important things that you do. At 7 a.m. wake up and have breakfast. At 7:30 a.m. I go to school. At 1:30 p.m. have lunch at home. At 3:30 p.m. study time. B part, at 9 a.m. on working day, you are doing your lesson at school. Find out where other people are and what they do at that time. Fill in the form below. I at school, study time. My mother at home, clean the home. My father at office, do office work. My grandmother at home, take rest. My grandfather at home, read newspaper. My teacher at school teaches us. Van driver in van drives his van. Tuck shopkeeper in tuck shop sells things. Dear students, fill this work page in your own book on page number 9. This is all about lecture number 2. Take care. Allah Hafiz.